Okay. What's up, guys? It's Monday. It's raining. Yeah, that's about it. Gonna go meet up with Eli. He wants to fish, so we'll go see if we can't catch some. I don't think we will. Nah, we will. Maybe, probably not. Weather sucks. Horrible weather. I won't be able to bring this out because it's too rainy, but yeah, we'll see you in a bit.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to fish Long Lake. Cody didn't know where it was. I had to show him, had to send my location. But yeah, we're just gonna go out here with the canoe. Hopefully catch some fish. It's good pan fishing. I don't really know. I've never fished it actually. I just hear people max out on panfish all the time here. So yeah, it looks like Cody's got some fat spooks and a chatterbait, and I have all sorts of stuff. I got a Ned rig. I got my pan fishing rod because you know I'm about to do a little catching cooking, you know? And then I got a deep diving crank. So let's get to it. Alright, apparently they say you have to know where to fish in this lake, and I just have no idea. But I heard this point like right here.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never.
This point right here, you see in front of us? I heard that was good.
There. That point?
Yeah, that point.
It's a cool looking lake.
Holy cow, it's shallow.
Yeah, that's what I was. I have two chatterbaits. I lost one time though. I think I hooked into a log actually, not gonna lie. We've been fishing for a bit, but this is a weird lake. It's not that deep or anything. I've never fished here before.
Yeah, we're moving spots, no big deal.
Yeah, switching up.
Never fished here. We don't really know where the fish are, to be honest.
Yeah, I could not tell you that. I mean,
wait till we find them, then it's gonna be a video and a half.
Yeah, you wait. Just wait. The weather's really cooperating. Beautiful weather. Man, if it was warmer out, like
if it was warmer,
that would be the spot, but it's not. So, oh baby, the fluger. My dad loves flugers.
Oh, I did too. That's real. That's why I put it on my panfish rod too. I got that Tryon. Yeah, if I was birds nest here every time.
No way I don't have clippers. Yeah, I need them.
Oh, I don't have fingernail clippers.
You got line clippers though?
Nope. I got a knife and pliers.
I
usually just use that.
Give me the knife then.
Yeah, if you didn't know, me and Cody made a previous video on his channel. It's called Slobosaurus. Probably should check that out.
Yeah, I'll put that link. I'll put that link in the.
Let's just say
you'll see it.
Caught a couple Slobosauruses.
Yeah, we didn't title it that for nothing, you know. So you guys know we actually can catch fish, just not right now.
Not under our current state of conditions. And yes, I'm making heavy excuses right now.
Big fish.
Big.
Doesn't want to come up.
Net?
If we have one. Oh, came off. Okay, I'll catch it again.
Sorry about that.
That was my PB. That was my PB. That was for sure my PB. The next question isn't where are we going, it's where are we going to catch the next fish.
Good point. Good point.
What's going on? Why am I wet? Oh, biggin.
Oh,
Biggin. He's stuck. Oh no.
Oh, it's going right. Hey, go back there, go back there.
Oh.
Go back there. Come on.
I set the phone down.
Baby. Oh, yeah.
It's huge.
Oh, wait, go back, go forward.
Oh my god. That is actually huge.
Oh, shoot.
That might be one of the biggest bluegills I have ever seen.
Oh my god. Oh, I thought it was just point break club. Right? This boy is fat.
I don't know if you can get a good look at that on the GoPro, but that might be the biggest bluegill I've ever seen.
Right. I can't get that yet. Give me my pliers.
Choked it.
You want to open it up for me? Thanks. Dude, alright, I'm bluegill fishing.
That might be the biggest bluegill I have ever seen. Holy.
Alright, boys. We've been fishing for a fat minute now. Finally got a fish because I started bluegill fishing. And this is a big one. So now that I think we're onto something, I think I'm gonna keep on bluegill fishing and we might end up with a catch and cook. But oh my gosh, I was excited to get the first bite. Now let's go. Let's keep it going.
Boom. Eli just caught another one. Nice old crappie. Big and perfectly hooked. Ow, I just spined myself because I'm an idiot. You gonna lip these. Chill, buddy.
Oh, see?
Oh.
I'm getting bit.
Oh, baby. You're gonna get one.
I know. Why is the top up like that?
Oh.
It's moving.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh. Oh.
Yep.
Oh.
Ready?
I'm gonna go, bro.
Again.
Oh. Oh.
Got him. Oh, it's fine. Nice.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, baby.
I guess I am a pan fisherman now.
Oh, she take you out deep. She take you out deep.
Oh my. This thing's got some pull.
Oh, wow.
Dude, that's a massive one.
Whoa.
Dude, these things are huge.
Third fish.
These are perfect. Perfect eaters.
I think we got this dialed now.
I think we understand them now. Oh.
Too easy.
It's got me up. Oh my. Oh.
Just like, oh.
This one's got some tug and pull. This has turned into a pan fishing video very quickly. Oh gosh, I need to grab that.
Just swim it back in. Oh.
One after another. Wow, this is actually so fun.
Brother, that fight's probably pretty good on that little rod.
What up, everybody? Back at the cooking stage. Let's see what we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gills, 3 crappies. Oh gosh, absolutely making freaking mess. Yeah, obviously I kept them in the water, so there should be still alive. Now we're just gonna show you how to how I'm gonna kill these things. Oh my gosh. So yeah, let's start off with the big gilly. I'll show you how to fillet this boy up. So what I do is usually just under the fin, and we turn this into a tutorial. Just cut right there. Cut right through. Cut right through, and then from there you want to go along the spine. Feel where the spine is, kind of just go ahead of it until you feel like there's like space, and then you just cut right through. And then kind of just follow the spine right down. Like that, and then flip this boy up. And just go along the bones. And then you'll never have bones if you just go along right here. So you see where the bones are exposed? And you just never have them. It's a great time. Alright, not perfect. I definitely missed some meat, but I definitely missed a fat amount of meat right there, but it's whatever. I just go down here then, right along the skin. And this is probably the worst tutorial you've ever seen. So if you're ever looking for a tutorial, don't watch this. And boom, a terrible one. Let's go, baby.
Alright, what's up, guys? We're back. Got them all filleted out. Eli did. I didn't do it. They're alright. Cuts. Not the greatest. You can tell it's the first fillet of the year, so yeah. But anyways, what we're gonna do, we got the Shoreline Traditional batter, and we got Red Hots, or Frank's Red Hot. So what we're gonna end up doing is take the fillet, you're gonna dip it in the Frank's Red Hots, get it all nice and coated, accidentally spilled a little. All nice and coated, then you're gonna put it in the batter. Get it nice and coated in the batter. Sometimes people do double coats, but I don't really want to do that. Then bada bing, bada boom. Sheesh.
Alright guys, well the first one Cody did that he showed you has absolutely zero breading on it, as you can see, compared to the others. So don't follow what Cody did in the video. Absolutely terrible. Anyways, the rest of them turned out pretty well. Looks like KFC chicken. So in a second we're going to give you a little taste test, see what's popping.
Alright, we're here. You can do a taste test.
Looks like KFC chicken.
Yeah, it looks like KFC chicken. We ran out of breading towards the end. Kind of disappointing, but. I mean, it tastes like a fish fry, so.
Tastes so good.
We did something right. Or we didn't do anything wrong.
I thought it was so fire.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
A little lake to plate. We're gonna throw in some fries for the heck of it.
Fellas, that was it. I think as you can tell, it was definitely the first catch and cook of the season.
It's a little rusty. We got a few bones in there.
Very rusty. But it's okay.
We didn't know how to use the batter right, but
Figure it out. You live and you learn.
alright, until next time on Cody Santa's Fishes.
Yeah. Peace.